There is one interview rule in India which only candidates have to follow. Can you guess what's that? I'll tell you. Can you please switch on your camera? You are joining a video call interview, and there you hear a voice where people say, can you switch on your camera? And you do that because you're ready. But people who are interviewing you, let it be one, two, or three, they won't switch on their camera, and what you see is the three blank screens. You feel like asking them that if I am supposed to switch on camera, why aren't you supposed to do that? But you don't ask because you don't want to get rejected and you're desperately in a need of job. ठीक है, तो ये रूल है, कैंडिडेट कैमरा ऑन करेगा, बाकी के लोग कैमरा ऑन नहीं करेंगे, या फिर उनकी मर्जी, उनको करना तो करेंगे, नहीं करना तो नहीं करेंगे. सो आई हैव बीन ऑन द अदर साइड, आई हैव बीन अ रिक्रूटर, आई हैव बीन डूइंग दिस. मैं भी यही करती थी, मैं अपना कैमरा ऑन नहीं करती थी. देयर वेर रीजंस, ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं कि मुझे कैमरा नहीं ऑन करना था, बट देयर वर रीजंस. फॉर एग्जांपल, कभी कभी 10 इंटरव्यू होते थे दिन में, कभी कभी मैं कभी कभी यू सिट इन द ओपन ऑफिस वेयर देयर आर 100 ऑफ पीपल, तो यू डोंट वांट टू डू दैट. So what had happened, I thought it was normal, everyone around was doing the same, and even I thought, yay, this is how we have to follow, until one day a candidate told me that, hello, if I'm supposed to keep my camera on, you're also supposed to keep your camera on. And I was like, how dare you? But then I realized that what he's telling is right, and from that day onwards I do keep my camera on, and in case if not, I tell them why am I not keeping my camera on, just a small explanation. ठीक है, बहुत छोटी सी बात दिख रही है पर ये छोटी सी बात नहीं है, because I see a lot of candidates sharing their frustration about how they are expected to switch on their camera and interview never switches on the camera. Especially this happens in India. It shows how much they value the candidate, right? And I have also seen, um, there's a lot of training which is needed for an interviewer, how they should take an interview, because there is no basic decencies to say hi, hello, introduce themselves, tell about the role, nothing. Just come, okay, tell me about yourself. अरे ऐसा कौन इंटरव्यू लेता है भाई, पागल हो तुम? Anyway, so again, I'm not talking it for everyone, but this is what happens in most of the cases. I have done it, I'm sharing it with you guys. I would want to hear your experiences. मुझे बताओ, because that's how we will start talking. Please मुझे बताओ कि और क्या ऐसे हुआ है, so that we can have more interactions. Okay, bye bye.